All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy is a very famous English proverb. We all have heard it at least once in a lifetime. For good physical fitness and strength, sports is an integral part of life. Sports make our life interesting, teach us to work hard and push our limits to reach a new high. Sports teach discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. It is a crucial part of a student's growth and development. The GOAT Colleges not only aims to improve a student's physical abilities, but also help them to learn a sense of good sportsmanship. We might argue that study or books are more important than sports, but the truth is that both are equally important in life. In fact, both are the two faces of a single coin. Continuous work not only tires you, but also reduces your productivity. So, to have better productivity and focus, it is better to have a sports activity adopted. It can be any game that you like or even just a walk, but physical activity is good to ensure that you remain active and diligent in the way you work. So, it is important to take out some time from the hectic day and spend it by indulging in one or the other sports activity to stay fit and active. To have a long and happy life, it is important that a person is mentally, physically, and emotionally fit. NSUT offers state-of-art facilities in the domain of physical education, providing the following facilities: gymnasium with latest fitness equipments, 2 basketball courts, 2 volleyball courts, a cricket ground, football ground with a seating arrangement of approximately 5,000 audience, a kabaddi ground, 2 tennis courts, and a running track of 400 meters. Now, we will tell you about the achievements which were made by our university students in different fields of sports in Trikshetra and IIT Allahabad last year. Football. Each team consists of 11 players. These are made of 1 goalkeeper and 10 outfield players. The pitch dimensions vary from each ground but are roughly 120 yards long and 75 yards wide. On each pitch, you will have a 6-yard box next to the goal mouth, an 18-yard box surrounding the 6-yard box, and a center circle. Each half of the pitch must be a mirror image of the other in terms of dimension. The aim of the football is to score more goals than your opponent in a 90-minute playing time frame. Our football team bagged silver medal in Trikshetra. In IIT Allahabad, they bagged the first position, and also Vikram Chaudhary was awarded the best football player of the tournament. Badminton. Badminton is a racket sport played by either 2 opposing players or 2 opposing pairs who take positions on opposite halves of a rectangular court that is divided by a net. Players score points by striking a shuttlecock with their racket so that it passes over the net and lands in their opponent's half of the court. A rally ends once the shuttlecock has struck the ground, and the shuttlecock may only be struck once by each side before it passes over the net. Our boys team bagged gold medal in both Trikshetra and IIT Allahabad. The girl team won silver medal in IIT Allahabad tournament. Volleyball. It is played by 2 teams, usually of 6 players on a side, in which the players use their hands to bat a ball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned. To prevent this, a player on the opposite team bats the ball up and towards a teammate before it touches the court surface. That teammate may then volley it back across the net or bat it towards a third teammate who volleys it across the net. A team is allowed only 3 touches of the ball before it must be returned over the net. Our boys team won silver medal in volleyball, which was held during Trikshetra. Kabaddi. The overall object of the game is to simply score more points than the opposition team within the allotted time. To do this, each team must attempt to score points by both attacking and defending. When attacking, the offensive team sends across a raider into the opposition's half who must touch 1 or more members of the opposition to score a point. When defending, the objective is to capture the raider by wrestling them to the ground or simply by preventing them returning to their own half by the time their breath is up. Both our girls and boys team won the gold in Triple IT Allahabad tournament of Kabaddi. Table tennis. It is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball, also known as the ping pong ball, back and forth across a table using small rackets. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net. Except for the initial serve, the rules are generally as follows. Players must allow a ball played towards them to bounce one time on their side of the table and must return it so that it bounces on the opposite side at least once. A point is scored when a player fails to return the ball within the rules. Play is fast and demands quick reaction. Spinning the ball alters its trajectory and limits an opponent's option, giving the hitter a great advantage. We have also won gold in the table tennis tournament that were held in Triple IT Allahabad and SRCC. Cricket. Cricket is one of the most popular sports in India. It is played by 2 teams of 11 with one side taking a turn to bat a ball and score runs, while the other team will ball and field the ball to restrict opposition from scoring. The main objective in cricket is to score as many as possible against the opponent. Our cricket team won first prize in SJNP Khalsa and were also able to qualify the Thapar quarterfinals twice. Similarly, we won 3 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze in the swimming events that were held in Triple IT Allahabad. So, in the end, I would like to conclude that if you also have sportsman spirit and want to sweat to win and learn, join your favorite sports and bring glory to our institution and yourself.